everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Today I am going to explain how to design a calculator. So this is my calculator. In this calculator we have all the numbers 0 to 9. We have all the digits, and here is the all arithmetic operators are there like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So this is the clear button, this is the equal button. So now I want to add two numbers. I want to add two numbers. 7 plus 8 equal to 15. So now I want to use the subtract. So just I am using subtraction. 15 minus 5 equal to 10. So now I want to use the multiplication. So 10 into 2 equal to 20. Now I want to use the division. 20 division 2 equal to 10. Finally, the calculator is working fine. Now I am going to show you how to design this calculator. So just go to the Sublime Text, and here this is the HTML by HTML title. I want to give calculator. In this header section I am creating script tag. This script especially for JavaScript related functions we can write in script, and I am taking style. So this style CSS can be write in this style block. In this body block I am going to create a one form. So in this form I am giving the form name equal to calculator, and I am giving table. So in this table I am giving table class equal to container. In this table I am going to create the rows. So in this row I am going to take td class equal to display. Just close that td. In this td tag I am going to create the one input text. So input type equal to text and name equal to display. I am going to take placeholder just 0 I am putting. Now I am going to create the buttons. So just remove this for and remove this unnecessary for. In this row I am going to create the buttons. Input type equal to button, name equal to 7 and value equal to I am giving 7. Here I am going to write a one click event on click equal to I am calling calculate. This is my JavaScript function. In the JavaScript function I am passing the button name dot value. Here remove this. Just pass the button name dot value. So here td is coming here. Now I am going to create the remaining buttons. Just we will see the output. So here is buttons are created. This is the text area. This is the buttons. Now I am going to change the button names. Here 8. Here I am changing to 8. Now I am going to create the same for here is 9. I am pausing. Here I am going to take the addition. you need to change the operator in addition. So here we are passing the addition. I want to give class equal to row. For applying the CSS, we are using this class equal to row. Now I am going to create the remaining buttons. So in this row, I am going to create the 4, 5, 6, and here is the subtraction button. 4, 5, 6. Here is the subtraction button. And pass the same value in the JavaScript function. Here I am going to take remaining values 1, 2, 3, and here I am going to take multiple operation multiplication star. I am taking here I am taking 1, 2, 3. I am passing the same values in JavaScript function 1, 2, 3 multiplication. Now I am going to create the here is the I am taking 0, changing the value 0, here first the 0, and here I am going to take division, here the value also division, and pass this division here. Here I am going to take the clear button, name equal to C, value equal to capital C. In this I am going to take on click equal to clear. I am going to take remove just this for on click equal to I am taking one clear function. Just take the one clear function. That's it. Here is I am going to take equal operator. Here I want to take class equal to red for applying the CSS to the equal operator. Value equal to I am going to take equal, and on click equal to here I am taking just to evaluate the value this here this value this text box name dot value and value equal to I'm using evaluation operator EVAL of just pass this value. That's it. Now our calculator is displayed all the buttons and this arithmetic operators also. Now I am going to apply the CSS for all these things. If you want to apply CSS, we can write in the style block. First I am going to apply CSS for body comma HTML. Here I have a one background I have one background predefined background I am using linear gradient, and here margin equal to 0 and padding equal to 0. Now I am going to apply CSS for this container. Container is nothing but I am going to apply CSS for this table. So here I am taking table. In this table position equal to fixed and top equal to 50% and left equal to 50%. Then I am going to apply transform equal to translate. Just here I am taking 50% comma 50% minus 50 and minus 50 here. Then Here I am going to take background color equal to, I am going to apply background white I want to apply, and box shadow I want to apply box shadow equal to 10 pixel 10 pixel 10 pixel 10 pixel, and it's a light green color I am applying, and border radius equal to, I am applying the 14 pixel, and padding bottom equal to, I am applying the 20 pixel. That's enough for container table. Now I am going to apply CSS for this display. Apply for this text bar. So here hitting the CSS. In the display button, I am taking width equal to 100% and height equal to 60 pixel, and padding equal to I am taking 40 pixel comma 0. Next I am going to apply background. I want to apply light green color, and I am going to take border left radius I'm going to take border top left, border top left radius equal to 14 pixel, and the same border right radius equal to 14 pixel. Now I am going to apply CSS for these rows. Just come to here, this. The row width is, I want to apply 280 pixel, and float equal to left. Now I am going to apply CSS for these buttons. I am going to apply CSS. Now input type equal to button. Now I am going to apply CSS for this button. So button width equal to 60 pixel, and height equal to I am taking 60 pixel, and float I am taking left, and padding I am taking 0, margin I am taking 5 pixel, and box sizing equal to I am taking border box, and background equal to background I am going to take dash EC ED EF. Border equal to I am taking none, and font size equal to font size I want to take 30 pixel, and line height equal to 30 pixel, and font weight equal to I am going to take 700, and color equal to I'm taking slash 5e 5858, and next I'm going to take border radius equal to 50%, and cursor equal to I want to take pointer, and finally I am taking box shadow. Box shadow I want to take 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 5 pixel, and color is light green. Now I am going to take apply CSS for text box. Just here we can change text. uh, all the properties are same for text box also, and width equal to I want to take here 270, and height equal to 60, floatlet padding 0 I am taking, margin I want to take 0, 20 pixel, 25 pixel, box equal to border box, and background equal to I want to take here none, and border also it's a none, and font size I want to take 60 pixel, and light line height equal to 60 pixel, 60 pixel, font weight 700, and color equal to I want to take color here, and here these properties are not required. For text I am going to take text align equal to right. Now I am going to apply CSS for this equal operator. Right? Just I am applying the background. I want to apply red color, and it's a important, and color equal to I want to take nef and importing. So now we can see the output. Here I want to take width equal to 380 pixels. Now the calculator is designed. Now I am going to create the JavaScript function for this button actions. So here, if you want to write any JavaScript related code, you can go to the script block. In the script block, you can write the JavaScript related things. Just you can write function. Here you can write the take this function calculate. So here we can pass the result, take the one parameter result. Now I am going to take this form name dot this text box name, form name dot text box name dot value equal to form name dot text box name dot value plus result we can keep here. Now I am going to take one more function, clear function. So in this function I am going to apply the just to initialize this one to empty. Now I am going to see. So this is my calculator. So now all buttons are working. So just I am going to add two numbers 7 8 equal 15. I want to use subtraction. Now it is coming 10. Now I want to use the 20, it's coming. Now I am going to use the division. 20 division 2 equal to 10. Now I am clear the calculator. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.